Hello everyone. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I will guide you on how to crochet a lucky 4-leaf clover, perfect as a gift for family and friends. It takes very little time to make, only about 10 minutes. The result is very meaningful and lovely. I hope you enjoy it. Now let's begin. We use green yarn and make a magic ring. Now, we will repeat one pattern a total of 4 times. I will give you an example with the first iteration. We chain 4. Then we do 3 treble crochet stitches in the magic ring. To make the first treble crochet, we will wrap 2 loops around the hook. Then insert the hook into the magic ring and pull the yarn through. There are now 4 loops on the hook. We will wrap 1 loop around the hook and pull the yarn through loop 1 and loop 2. Currently, there are 3 loops on the hook. We continue to wrap 1 loop around the hook and pull the yarn through loop 1 and loop 2. Now we have 2 loops on the hook. Continue to wrap 1 loop around the hook and pull the yarn through 2 loops. We already have the first treble crochet. We will continue to do the remaining 2 treble crochet stitches. Here we got 3 treble crochet stitches. Then we chain 4. Next we do a slip stitch into the magic ring. We have repeated the pattern the first time. We need to repeat this pattern 3 more times. I will continue the example with the second repetition. We chain 4. Next, we make 3 treble crochet stitches in the magic ring. So that's 3 treble crochet stitches. And we chain 4. Then we make a slip stitch into the magic ring. I have completed the second iteration. Next, we will repeat this pattern 2 more times. I'll see you again after I've completed 4 iterations. I have completed 4 iterations. Now we chain 8. Here we got 8 chains. Then we find the second chain from the hook and make a slip stitch in this chain. In the next 6 chains, we do 1 slip stitch in each chain. We continue to make a slip stitch in magic ring. We chain 1 and cut yarn. Then we pull the yarn to close the magic ring. We tie the 2 tails together. Then use a yarn needle to hide these 2 tails. Finally, I attach a keychain to this 4-leaf clover. And so we have a cute 4-leaf clover keychain like this. Additionally, if you want a 3-leaf clover, you can repeat the pattern a total of 3 times. I think both are pretty. You can try them. Thanks for watching.